Destroy industries. Man is to survive for a long time. Man requires a healthy, happy, and blissful living. Man was trying all the way for the past thousands of years in order to materialize the happy, healthy, and blissful living. But from the 18th century onwards, there was a great change throughout the world. The mercantile activity has tried to dominate the human mind and has led for the industrial revolution. We can understand the industrial revolution as substituting the mechanical energy for the biological energy. Since that point, which is very much ominous in the entire corollary of the history and culture of the mankind, human beings started deteriorating. They are exploiting the nature. They have disturbed the symmetry of the nature. They are taking away everything from the nature, but not at all in a position to give to the nature. At the same time, they are not maintaining any balance of their body and mind. As a result, the longevity, the immunity, the spiritual energy, and the cosmic abilities of the man have gone down. Now, human being is totally deteriorated and getting deteriorating. This is simply a suicidal effect which is due to the impact of the industries. Formerly, man had tried to make himself very much equipped with the technology. The technology was useful to the man. It never tried to hurt the human abilities. But now, during the 19th century and the 20th century, the technology has gone beyond such levels wherein it is challenging the very abilities of the mankind. That means the very sustenance, the very potentials, the very capabilities of the man as a part of the biome are questioned by the so-called technologists, technocrats, and those people who are making technology a simple mercantile commodity. This is the wrong step wherein man is killing himself. It is totally a suicidal effort, and it is the apex of the industrial revolution. The nature can never tolerate it. The man can never tolerate it. Formerly, there were sages, saints, apostles in the man. We can see many people who had gone to the divine levels and theosophic levels. Now, the target of the man is simply becoming a millionaire or a trillionaire. And formerly, Jesus or Muhammad or Buddha or Krishna or Rama were the role models. Now, the role models have become the industrialists only, who are earning money, who are exploiting the middle class, who are destroying the nature. They are becoming the role models nowadays. In such a situation, they are simply aiming at accumulating the wealth, accumulating the money, destroying the potentials of the mankind, and reducing the simplicity of the man to the multitude of the micro possible. This is the destructive process which is taking place very much actively from 1850 onwards. This is to be stopped. A surgical operation is very much needed, and for that, the only slogan is destroy the industries, save the mankind, protect the nature. These three are important. If you protect the nature, if you can save the mankind, if you can destroy the industries, you can protect yourself. The symmetry in the nature will be maintained. All the industries are creating a symmetry. The entire industries which are related with the mining, they have destroyed the inner surface of the earth, inner aspects of the earth, and the transportation, aviation, they have destroyed the atmospherical identities. The information technology has totally destroyed the concept of consciousness, cognition, and knowledge. We are simply depending upon what is called as the artificial intelligence. Man is very much natural. He is naturally creating. He is in the level of a creator. Now he has got down to the level of a producer. This is the worst phenomena which we can see throughout the history. I request everybody who is intelligible, who is trying to understand the man as a man, kindly to think, destroy the industries, save the mankind, protect the nature. This should be our target. Otherwise, the nature will be trying to stabilize itself. When nature stabilizes, the volcanoes erupt, the sea levels rise, the man or the industries cannot survive at all. It is a hard-felt truth. And man must improve his own potential. He must rise to the level of the divinity. The great thinkers like Madame Blavatsky, Paramahamsa Yogananda, Yogi Aurobindo, Maharshi Mahesh Yogi, all these people, they have spoken that man can rise to the level of the divinity. But now, in the search of the money, in the quest for wealth, and in the troubles for accumulating the properties, and only enjoying the physical health and physical body, man has totally lost his spiritual connections and cosmic potential. It is the ultimate result of what is called as the industrialization. Destroy the industries, save the mankind, protect the nature. Again, I will repeat to everybody, kindly to understand my problem. The Crimean War, the First World War, the Second World War, the Cold War, all they have destroyed. Being a person with 67 years experience, having envisaged throughout the world what is happening for the past 60 years very much actively, and being also a professor of history, I can understand what turn the mankind is taking place. It is very much abnormal. It is suicidal. It is rather self-destructive. Kindly don't do it. Try to follow a method. Destroy the nature. In no way, but destroy the industries. Because the destruction of the nature will be very much suicidal to the survival of the mankind. Man is a part of the nature. And when the industries are destroying, you are trying to protect the nature. And when you are destroying the nature also, you cannot protect the mankind. And that is why try to understand the gravity of the situation. Destroy the industries, save the man, protect the nature. Destroy the industries, save the man, protect the nature.